Uh, of course, the government has been in denial mode for a very long time, but recent changes have been there where CM himself has, admitted that illegal coal mining is happening, and that it's because it's a tradition which has happened 200 years back and continues now. So I think so. Government has come to terms with it and admitted that illegal coal mining is on.
Sir.
See, the thing is, this illegality, this has come right. I think even up to the Supreme Court level, it has come up. Various reports have been submitted, but sometimes if the central government also intervenes too much into the state matters also. These are law and order issues, and which is it's a lookout with the state government. So the central government to come, to directly intervene into what's happening in the state also does not occur well. So I feel that state government should take action upon it before the central government actually steps in, which will be very embarrassing for the state government if the central government actually steps in. So I think so before that happens, I think so state government has to take action.
Okay.
Yes, that happened, and the chairman, Mr. Bernard Marak, and just a few days back I've seen he had a panel discussion where he said that he had submitted a report to Delhi, so I think so he'll be in a position to give you a clearer picture as to what the report is all about.
Jaka, sir.
Not only is it costing the state exchequer, you're draining out the natural resources of the state without revenue coming back to the state government. So imagine the revenue loss over here. It's worth thousands and thousands of rupees annually, which should, as long as the coal mining is being prohibited, that those minerals should remain there where it belongs to. But if we are allowing all this illegality to happen, we are losing thousands of crores of rupees every year. And there will come a time when, suppose coal mining is allowed to restart again. By that time, there will be no more coal. When when coal mining opens up legally, at that point of time, probably we may not have any more coal. So I think so, and having these illegalities being allowed to, happen so blatantly, it creates such a trust deficit between the public and the government. And I feel that the government should act upon it. And when I say act upon it, it's not arresting some truck driver or some laborer from the mines and all. It has to go deeper than that. Which means that actually arresting the people who are behind that. Actually arresting the mine owners. Actually arresting the people who are running the scheme of things. Now you're arresting the small fry and small people, what's there? You arrest 5 truck drivers today, he'll get another 10 truck drivers the next day. How does it help? So if the government has to really means action, they should take action in the way that it becomes a deterrent to others also to take up this illegality. Now, if those things are not happening, then how does it deter? When the income from such illegality is running to thousands of crores, then who will get deterred if these kind of action is not, action is not taken at the level that it should be taken?
Yes.
No, the concern has already been expressed. It has been. I don't say that we have 2 MLAs. They have not expressed a concern. They have expressed a concern. One thing you see, the 2 MLAs that we have, they have been expressing. But the only thing is that they are very minor part of the whole government formation. So politics is all about numbers. Now if you have such a small minuscule number, and your voice are not heard, So it's not that they have not spoken; they have spoken, of course.